Welcome to the Canada Job Title Guide series. In this video, we're exploring the engineering manager role. If you're thinking about moving into management in tech, or you're curious about what this job actually involves, you're in the right place. Let's break down what an engineering manager does, what skills you need, and what you can expect to earn in Canada. An engineering manager is a leader who manages a team of software engineers or developers. Unlike a software engineer who writes code, an engineering manager focuses on people, processes, and delivery. They're responsible for hiring, coaching, and developing their team members. They also work with product managers and other departments to ensure projects are completed on time and meet quality standards. Think of them as the bridge between the technical team and the business goals. Here are the main responsibilities of an engineering manager. First, team management, hiring new engineers, conducting one-on-one meetings, and helping team members grow their careers. Second, technical oversight, reviewing code, making architecture decisions, and keeping up with technology trends. Third, project delivery, planning sprints, removing blockers, and ensuring deadlines are met. Fourth, communication, reporting to senior leadership and collaborating with product and design teams. And finally, performance management, setting goals, conducting reviews, and providing feedback to improve team performance. So what does a typical day look like? Morning usually starts with stand-up meetings where the team syncs on progress. Then comes one-on-ones with individual team members to discuss their work, concerns, and career goals. You'll spend time in planning meetings with product managers about upcoming features. You'll review pull requests and provide technical feedback. You'll handle hiring and interview candidates when there are open positions. And you'll deal with any problems that come up, like resolving technical issues or helping team members who are stuck. It's a mix of technical work and people management. To be a successful engineering manager, you need several important skills. Technical skills, you need to understand software development, architecture, and coding. This helps you make good technical decisions and earn respect from your team. Leadership skills, the ability to motivate people, set clear goals, and inspire confidence. Communication skills, you need to explain complex technical ideas to non-technical people and vice versa. Problem solving, dealing with conflicts, project delays, and technical challenges. Empathy, understanding your team members' needs, concerns, and career aspirations. And business acumen, knowing how your team's work connects to the company's goals and revenue. Engineering managers walk a fine line between technical and people management. Most spend around 40 to 60% of their time on people management, hiring, mentoring, and career development. The remaining time is spent on technical decisions and code reviews. Some managers stay very hands-on with coding, while others delegate more. It depends on the company size and the team's needs. In smaller companies, you might code more. In larger companies, you'll focus more on management and strategy. Both approaches are valid, as long as you stay connected to the technical side. Engineering managers typically lead teams of 6 to 12 engineers. This is considered the sweet spot for effective management. With 6 to 8 people, you can give everyone adequate attention and mentorship. With 10 to 12, you're still managing one team. Beyond that, companies usually hire a second manager or create a staff engineer role. Team size can vary based on the company, project complexity, and geographic distribution. Remote teams might be smaller because communication overhead is higher. But generally, 6 to 12 is the standard range in Canada. Most engineering managers start as software engineers. You typically need 3 to 5 years of solid engineering experience before moving into management. During this time, you build technical expertise, understand how teams work, and ideally, mentor junior developers. Some companies offer leadership training programs. Others expect you to lead informally first, maybe running a project or mentoring interns. The key is showing leadership potential and genuine interest in developing people. It's important to note that management isn't for everyone. Some engineers prefer staying technical and become staff or principal engineers instead. Both paths are equally respected in tech. Engineering manager salaries in Canada vary based on experience, company size, and location. Entry-level engineering managers, typically in the 6 to 8 years experience range, earn between $110,000 and $135,000 per year. Mid-level managers with 8 to 15 years experience earn between $135,000 and $160,000. Senior managers with 15-plus years earn between $160,000 and $185,000. Companies in major tech hubs like Toronto, Vancouver, and Waterloo tend to pay higher. Remote positions and American companies often pay more. These figures include base salary and don't include bonuses, stock options, or benefits. Here's a quick summary of what we covered. An engineering manager leads a team of 6 to 12 engineers, balancing people management with technical decision-making. They're responsible for hiring, mentoring, project delivery, and technical oversight. A typical day includes stand-ups, one-on-ones, planning meetings, code reviews, and problem-solving. You need technical skills, leadership abilities, strong communication, and empathy. Most reach this role after 3 to 5 years as a software engineer. Salaries in Canada range from $120,000 to $180,000 per year, depending on experience and company. If you enjoy both coding and developing people, this role could be a great next step in your career.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.